If you're looking to make money on YouTube without showing your face on YouTube, and yes, there's a format and there's a way to do that, which is called the Faceless YouTube niche and the Faceless YouTube account. I have with me here a lot of content that can make you a lot of money on YouTube if done properly. First and foremost is finance and investing content. Finance and investing content is a very profitable niche on YouTube where you can teach people how to make money, how to invest their money, how to buy stocks, and a lot of things. Once you have knowledge of it, you're willing to share it out. And if you don't want to show your face, there's a better way to do it. All you have to do is just get a clip of how much you made, the cost, the revenue, and every necessary thing that the viewer has to see and get convinced to try a particular side hustle or a particular finance idea that you gave them. And for a faceless YouTube account or a faceless niche account on YouTube, if you're not willing to show your face and you want the videos to be done perfectly and exceptionally well, there are places you can get these ideas from. These are the paid adverts, so I'm giving it to you for free. So all you have to do for me is just like and subscribe. First on my list is ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to script your videos. All you have to do is tell ChatGPT the exact thing you want ChatGPT to talk about in the video. Give it the exact prompt that you want. So write it anyhow you want to write it and send it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you the exact prompt you need for your YouTube video as a faceless account, because you're not the one making the videos, right? So you don't want your face to show. Tell ChatGPT exactly what you want ChatGPT to do or to make for you. Once it gives you the prompt and the script has to be different this thing, because the prompt is what you tell the video to say app I'm going to give you for your video, and the script is a different thing that you have to add to the video. And the second place you can make your Faceless YouTube account a very, very soft and easy way to make is on invideo.ai. These are the paid advert. This is just a free idea for you guys. So all you have to do is just like and subscribe for me. Go to invideo.ai and send in your prompts and to make the exact video you want for it. All you have to do is just edit the videos, change this audio to your voice and things like that. And yes, your video is ready on how to make money or whatever thing you want to do on YouTube as a faceless YouTube account. And as easy as that, you're making $20 to $30 per 1,000 views on YouTube. And that's all. Second way to make money on YouTube as a faceless account is tech reviews. The same way I said it earlier, all you have to do is go to ChatGPT, tell it to give you a prompt on tech video or tech mobile phones or tech laptops people are willing to buy currently in 2025, 2026. And once it gives you that prompt, move it to invideo.ai and it makes the video. All you have to do is just edit the video and bring it out. Tech reviews and another way to make money on YouTube. The third way to make money on YouTube as a faceless account is health and wellness account. Health and wellness account is a very, very tricky format and very, very tricky way to make money on YouTube, because YouTube flag accounts that give health and wellness advice if you are not certified. Like you're not a certified doctor, a certified oncologist, a certified registered nurse, and you're giving health advice, it's going to flag you. That means any advice you're giving should be a strongly believable advice and an advice that is generally accepted by everybody and anybody in the world. That way, it is generally accepted and not a myth or an idea from you. Another way to make money on YouTube without showing your face is the business niche. Like I said earlier, all you have to do is just get a clip of your business or things you've been doing and attach to the video, or go to invideo.ai and it makes the business niche content for you as easy as possible. It generates it by AI and other ways on YouTube on invideo.ai for you. Another content you have to try out on YouTube is business content. It's a very profitable faceless account and faceless niche for you to try out on YouTube. Another way to make money on YouTube without showing your face is real estate. As easy as that. And this real estate content, you don't need to show your face, and you don't even need to pay or get an InVideo AI. Let me give you a format. All you have to do is just get a drone. Yes, get a drone and shoot multiple videos of an estate. Multiple videos of estate upon estate upon estate. If you're someone that lives in Nigeria, go to real estates in Abuja or Lagos. Someone that lives in the US, go to California, Los Angeles, Beverly Hills, and shoot a lot of content about real estate then, and put your voiceover and educate people about real estate. And yes, you're making money off YouTube without even showing your face. All you have to do is just get multiple clips of real estate, find houses, find angles, find lightning, and you're good to go on real estate content. Another way to make money on YouTube without showing your face is luxury content, luxury lifestyle. Luxury lifestyle niche, as an example I'm going to give you now, is all these celebrities that go to shopping mall and people vlog them buying expensive Buikem bags or expensive content. Those are luxury lifestyle content. In as much as they're standing as a vlog, but it's still more of luxury content and luxury lifestyle. Those kind of niches can pay a lot of money without even showing your face. And probably all you can do about it is get celebrities or get people that are really fashionable and vlog them about their life. Go to shopping malls, buy different items, or try and vlog about different items. You might not be luxury as in Birkin bags. You can do luxury as in camera equipment or phones or other things, or even houses. It can also be considered as a luxury niche or a luxury content. And that content you can make as a faceless account on YouTube is educational content. This video of mine now is an educational content to you which is watching the video. So all you have to do for me now is just to like and subscribe, right? So educational content is another thing you have to do on YouTube. If you're willing to educate people on certain things or about how to make money or how to do this or how to do that, or even basically educating them on schoolwork, yes, you can make a lot of money on that without really showing your face. All you have to do is probably just point the camera at the bill or at the whiteboard and just do your thing and post it on YouTube, and you can make a lot of money from that kind of content. And that content that make a lot of money on YouTube is motivational content. This one can give you a lot and lots of views, lots and lots of money, lots and lots of brand deals, because people need motivation, right? People need to be motivated. People need to be pushed to do a lot of things. Someone like me now, some days I don't feel like shooting videos, some days I don't feel like creating content, but I still do go out of my way and do it because I am motivated by videos. I'm motivated by videos of other people or videos like motivational videos I see on YouTube. I get motivated to stand up and shoot my own content. So faceless accounts are very, very profitable in 2024, 2025, 2026 and beyond. So this is an opportunity for you to venture into faceless YouTube niche, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Do well to drop a like for me, do well to subscribe and tap my end screens.